So I'm going to pour a concrete driveway here with the guys. Start dumping it on the ground, magging out all your edges, raking it flat, put a bench down the middle to your height pin, and then you pull your screed, and as I pull it, I mag behind to keep it as flat as possible. So again, edge, rake it out, bench, pull it, got a guy behind me raking as I pull it, and then I can mag behind my screed to keep it as flat as possible. Then I can bull float the whole thing, looking nice, get it as smooth as possible, and then I can edge it. If you are wanting to know how to bull float and edge, I just did a video before this about bull floating and edging, so you can go check that out and learn all about that in like a slowed down version. And then the truck's back, ready to start pouring. I got my wet bench all ready to go, so I just had to mag the one side, rake out all the concrete he's pouring, pull the screed, mag behind it, same thing over and over again. So I already have a bench across the entire distance there and a hard form to pull across. All we had to do was rake it and pull the screed, and I mag behind. Then again, once that's all done, you just start to bull float it. Bull float the whole thing opposite of the way I screeded it, if you can tell there. So I switched it up down on that end. Just makes the floor really flat when you go against how you screeded it. And then I edged the entire rest of the thing and blended all that together with a mag and all that stuff to make it look as good as possible. And now we're ready to finish. So to finish it, blow all the leaves off, we have this liquid called con film. It's a concrete retarder you spray on the surface to, get the surface wet enough to brush it. And then you bull float on top of that and rub the edges out again and re-edge it one more time just to make it real nice. And then you're ready to brush it here in a minute. So you just push and pull that broom across there. Push and pull the whole time. Push, pull, all the way down. And once you're done with that, you can highlight the edges and everything. So that's what I'm going to do there. Highlighting all the edges. And that's the finished product. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. And thanks for watching.